Congratulations! This was the last lesson on life insurance for pre-licensed insurance candidates. The last part of this lesson dealt with the different types of retirement plans currently being used in the marketplace. There are some fairly common attributes to these plans. They all provide tax-deferred growth, allow pre-tax contributions on the part of the employees, and provide nice tax incentives for the employer as well. In the last 30 years or so, retirement plans and other employee benefits have become a major driver in recruiting new employees and retaining current ones. Almost any employer can install a qualified retirement plan for their workforce. Depending on the type of business, there are different plans available. Some are more expensive to install and maintain, and others provide benefits not found in other plans. One of the major features of a qualified plan is its relationship with taxation. These kinds of plans are generally designed to ease the tax burden for employers and hold funds for employees on a tax-deferred basis. Remember that the term cash or deferred arrangement, or CODA, is just fancy language for a plan that accepts pre-tax funds from the employee and grows on a tax-deferred basis. Please concentrate on plan characteristics. For example, 401ks are intended for larger employers and in corporate environments that have funds available to pay heavier administrative costs. Another example of a plan meant for a particular market would be 403bs, tax-sheltered annuities, or TSAs. These plans may only be installed for nonprofits that file under Section 501c3 of the Internal Revenue Code, public schools, churches, and the employees of these entities. Also spend some time studying the topic of contribution limits. It's important for your state exam. Here are a few additional tips that will help you succeed on the state exam. Read important material out loud. You tend to remember better than if you just read. Take the licensing candidate content outline. Pick a topic at random and see if you can give the who, what, where, when, why, and how of the topic. Have a friend quiz you by making up questions from the material in the course. One important thing to remember is that the practice tests and quizzes are not the state exam questions, so don't try to memorize them. If you do, it could decrease your chances on the state exam. Data has repeatedly shown that those who have tried to memorize practice questions are thrown for a loop when taking the state test because the questions aren't the same. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Memorization of key facts, numbers, and other important material greatly increases the more you go over them. Finally, don't let too much time elapse in between study sessions. This is like learning a new language, and you need to continually reinforce your memory on a daily basis. Congratulations from At Your Pace Online. We wish you the best.